I was playing around with the older chart template and I was reminded of one of my favorite settings for the Titanoboa Trader. So what the Titanoboa Trader does, you choose an input series, you can choose any kind of line, VWAP, pivot point, any kind of moving average, any line that prints on your chart. My two favorite ways to use it are with the 20 period SMA and also the 50 period SMA. So I'm just going to show you what the default settings look like here. So this is the 50 period SMA. It will print trend colors, and then it's got all these lines of standard deviations in a band to the downside and the upside. And it will let you know when you've got a price breakout of any of these bands and also a return back into any of these bands. You can also choose the spacing and the distance between these bands for each one of them. Right now there's a standard deviation of 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 from the 50 SMA, but we could easily make these wider, put any numbers that we like in there. It will print breakout signals and return signals. For this setup, I'm only using the return signals, and you can set the breakout and the return to any of these bands. So I want price to break out above this 5th level standard deviation band, and then when price returns back in, I get the signal. Here we got price breaking out of the 5th standard deviation band, we get a return, we get a signal. So since I have a bunch of other things going on in my chart, I like to just have the signals. This is for the 50 period SMA, and this is for the 20 period SMA. And this is this morning's price action. These are all the signals from 9 o'clock to almost 11 now. You can see we're getting some great moves here when price is returning back in those bands. Yesterday had some great signals too. Here's 9:30. We get a double signal right there out of the gate. Get a little pullback. Get another little pullback. Getting some nice return signals there. This continues later on into the morning. So that's two of my favorite ways to use the Titanoboa Trader. I've got two separate instances, one for the 20 period SMA and one for the 50 period SMA. You go to your input series and you choose whatever indicator you want to print the bands on. I've got my center line set to transparent, and then I've unchecked the plot visibility for all the levels of support and resistance. I did not change any of these offset or scale factor. Those are all factory settings. Still doing the double NinjaTrader setup. Got the Volucandlez on NinjaTrader 7, Apex accounts on NinjaTrader 8, up 700 on my Apex accounts, up over 700 on the Volucandlez. Yesterday I had a red day, took one too many shorts on that up move. I basically didn't follow my system. My system was telling me nothing but longs, but I tried to outsmart my system and it did not work. Today was much better, up 400 bucks on my Top Step account too. I got a good chunk of my profits from today on this move lower here. Nice big juicy red candle. Solar wind was down below VWAP, breaking below recent lows. Tons of delta coming in. Heiken-Ashi turned red. Got the flat butts on the Heiken-Ashi. I got in on a few different shorts down into the 50s. Got the ES 5 minute, NQ 5 minute, NQ 1 minute, and the MNQ 15 minute for when I want to trade the micros. Then I've got my innovative ordering buttons on the charts, so I don't have to have Chart Trader up. Just got these easy, big, simple buy and sell buttons. I got each chart linked to a different account. I'm not trading all the accounts at one time. I'm trading them in smaller groups. Hope you got some good ideas for your own trading. Apex is back to having a 71% off sale, 71% off for the life of the account, $35 resets. Using code MonkeyMan over at Apex will get you the best price always. And if you like any of these indicators, NINZA Indicators is usually having a sale, and if you use code MonkeyMan at NINZA, you also get the best price. Even if they're having a sale, you'll get an even deeper discount when you use the code MonkeyMan. If you're enjoying this content, please consider a like and a subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.